Welcome, in front of me is a Lenovo Tab M8 and today I will show you how we can insert SD card into this device. Now before you get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone, or well, if you're holding it like this, it's going to be on the top left side. So using the pen, push it in, the tray will come out, as you can see. You can take it out, and on the tray you will have space for only one SIM card, not SD card I mean. So place the card on the tray, make sure that it's laying flush on the tray. There we go, so make sure it's laying flush on the tray, and then simply insert it back into your tablet. The card should start working right away. Oh, there we go, so it gives me a notification about the SD card, so obviously it's detecting it. So that is how you insert your SD card, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.